How to allow WhatsApp access to microphone on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if your WhatsApp voice messages or calls aren't working, chances are that the app doesn't have access to your microphone. So in this video, I'll show you how to allow microphone access for WhatsApp. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the settings app on your phone. And here, once you're inside the settings, simply scroll down and tap on apps. And after that, tap on manage apps. And now here in this section, you will see the list of apps. So from here, you can simply search for WhatsApp, or you can simply search it by tapping on the search bar and searching for WhatsApp. And here, simply tap on the WhatsApp from the search result, and once you are inside the WhatsApp app settings, simply scroll down and tap on app permissions. And now here inside the app permissions, you see the option labeled as microphone. So simply tap on that. And here, as you can see, I have already enabled it, but if you haven't, then just tap on allow only while using the app option to enable it. And that's it. That's how you can allow WhatsApp access to microphone on Android. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.